In today's video, we're looking at limits and continuity, under which we'll be looking at introduction to continuity. Now, for definition of continuity, as we looked at that of limits in our last class, we'll need a function y, which is equal to what? F of x, and we also need a point. Okay, a point, say what? Say a. Now, with these two given to us, we can now define what continuity now is. Now, continuity is what? A function f with variable x is said to be continuous as a point A on the real line if the limit of f of x when x approaches the point A equals the values of what? F of x as what? A. Now, as I said again, this English looks confusing. When I express it mathematically, you'll be able to understand what this English really means. Now, the other definition of continuity is what? The function as a whole is said to be continuous if it is continuous at every point in its domain. If it's continuous at every point in its domain. Now, I'll be posting my next video. I'll be giving examples on these two definitions of continuity so you can understand it relatively well. Now, mathematically, a function is said to be continuous at a point A if, number one, f of A is defined. Your f of A must be defined. Number two, the limit as x tends to A of f of A of f of x must exist. The first condition for continuity is that what? F of the point, the function of the point given to you, must be defined. Number two, limit as x tends to A of f of x must exist. And number three, the limit as x tends to A of f of x must be equal to what? F of what? F of A. Now, this can also be equal to the negative limit and the positive direction of x when it tends to A. Okay, limit f of x as x tends to what? Positive what? A. Now, so to define this continuity again is by saying what? A function f, with variable x is said to be continuous at a point A on the real line if the limit of f of x, as x approaches A, if the limit of f of x as x approaches A equals to the value of f of x at what? At A. It means wherever I see x, I'm going to put what? I'm going to put A. As simple as that. So in my next video, I'll be showing you how to solve it mathematically then.